Ano ba ang qualifications ng isang pop star? Mag-champion sa isang major singing contest. Check. Maglabas ng sobrang hit na album.
5 times platinum.
Check. Mag-star sa isang teen drama. Check. Maging bahagi ng the best noontime variety show. Check. Maglibot at mag-perform sa buong mundo. Check. Magkaroon ng successful concerts. Check. Magkaroon ng second album na siguradong hit. Check. At magkaroon ng bagong version ng Before I Let You Go. Check. Meron pa bang qualified para maging isang pop star? Si Sarah lang. Kaya check nyo to, Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano, with the one and only pop star, Sarah Geronimo.
I can still remember yesterday. We were so in love in a special way. And knowing that you love me makes me feel oh so right. But now I feel lost, don't know what to do. Each and every day I think of you. Holding back my tears, I'm trying with all my might.
Because you've got me standing all alone. And I know I've got to face tomorrow on my own. But baby,
Before I let you go,
I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true, it's true.
baby, it's true.
You'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do. Yeah. So before I let you go, I want to say I love you.
I wish that it could be just like before. I know that I could give you so much more. Even though you know I've given you all my life.
I miss your smile, miss your kiss. Each and every day around my lips. Baby, it's you that I'll always remain. Oh, because you're gonna let me standing all alone. And I know I've got to face tomorrow on my own. But baby,
Before I let you
Sir Gary.
Sweet 16, it can't get any sweeter than this. The second album at the age of 16. Sarah, anything you want to say about it?
Hi, of course po, out na po sa market ang second album ko, titled Sweet 16. At ayan po, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga composers, sa lahat po ng mga nakabili. At syempre po, gusto ko rin pong magpasalamat sa aking mga sponsors, ang Finest Jewels by Tita Beb Toralba, at ng mga upcoming shows ko po, ngayon po today sa SM Sukat, 3 p.m. po yan.
Today?
After po,
Okay.
opo, ngayon. Ayun po, sana po supportan niyo po uli yung album ko. At sa November 27 po, nasa SM Bibutan po ako.
May November 28 din.
27 po ba ngayon?
27. Today. 27. No,
Naulan.
not next
Okay.
week pa. Pero
At
sa 28 meron din.
Ayan, with Mark Bautista sa Urios, Butuan City. December 7 po, Night of the Champions sa Dalandan Astrodome, Valenzuela City.
Wow.
December
December
11
11
po,
pa.
Night of the Champions sa Batangas Sports Complex. At December 12, SM North. Ayan po. Thank you po.
Hindi busy ang schedule ni Sarah, no? But she promises you a fantastic performance anywhere she goes. Just like she did here right now. And just like we will do when we come back right here on ASAP Mania!